Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my screen. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so I welcome you all to a new episode on Crypto Arbitrage. Yeah, I don't normally show my profits and stuff. Don't normally do that. Yeah, but it seems some mentors who are not profitable are polluting some people's mind diets. You can't make it when it comes to crypto. You can't make it. So you have to do additional thing to it. It's not bad for you to do additional thing to it. It's not bad. But crypto also can make you rich. And when you learn it to understand it well, you can also mentor people and also do that one as side hustle together with your trading thing. Yeah. So today, let me show you something. So let me open here for you to see. So you can see that this is my wallet. This is my wallet. Yeah, my wallet. Yeah, and it's regular user. It's not demo and it's not anything. Real account. Yeah, and all this money I earn it from crypto arbitrage. Yeah, I earn it from crypto arbitrage. I'm not here to brag and I'm not here to boast. Now I'm trying to tell you that this money is just within less than a month, less than a month. Yeah, this wallet is very safe for me. That's why I put my money in this wallet. Yeah, it's very safe for me. That's why I put my money in this wallet here. Yeah, so let's go to the arbitrage for today. Yeah, so I'll open my OKX. Yeah. So today we're using Solana to do our arbitrage. Solana. Yeah. And right now you can see that Solana is going up. By the way, on the 30th of this month, I have my class coming up. Yeah, so my class is on the 30th of this month. Yeah, and the ticket is on my bio. Just click on it. You'll buy it from there. You can also click in the description if you're watching me from YouTube, or in the comment section you can find it just $15. Yeah. And people be saying that, so if you're profitable, why do you ask for money before you teach people? My time is expensive, bro. And and I'm still making money. I'm still searching for sources of income. I don't want to depend on only the crypto. I have to have source of income, multiple sources. That's why I'm doing my thing. And if I'm doing exchange to exchange, that one, if you follow me well, you know that I always show the platform. But when it comes to exchange to black market strategy, that one I don't show the black market, and I have my reason. The reason is that you need a small tutorials on it. You need me to teach you well. That is why I charge the $40 for the black market, because you need a lot, and I have to psych you because it comes with risk. The black market is for risk takers. That's what I always tell you. It's for risk takers. So if you're ready to take risk, the black market is for you, because it's easy for you to make money and it's easy for you to lose money. Yeah, but when it comes to regulated platforms like Bybit, Binance, and stuff, yeah, that one you can trade as many as you want, and the risk is very low. And like, if you learn the arbitrage well, for you to lose money in the crypto space is very low when it comes to arbitrage. Yeah, because you are buying it low and sell it high. Why will you buy it high and sell it low? Yeah, so here I'm buying Solana. So I have 2112 in my account. Yeah. So if I come here to buy Solana, so I'm using 200 to buy Solana. So I'll be getting 0.97, right? Yeah. And Solana on buy on OKX, and OKX, to have OKX link in the description and the comment section. If you register with my referral link, then you can join the OKX free signal group. You join it, I will share free signal to you only if you use my referral link to do it. Yeah. So when I come here, When I come here, I'll come to withdrawal tool in order to check and see the withdrawal fee, and I'll enter OK Solana here, Solana. So exchanges. So Solana over here, the fee is 0.5, not even up to $1, and it's use Solana. That's what it's all use Solana. Yeah. So I will come to the black app, then I will search for Solana. Yeah. The reason why I always swap is that when you buy it on OKX, then you transfer it to your black market app, then you swap it to USDT. You will swap it to USDT. Yeah. So this is the amount I bought. So if I swap it to USDT, the 200 that I spent, I'll be earning $25.6 on it. So it means that the 6 is for the fee. So I'll be earning $25 profit on the $200 I spent. So you can see that I'm making profit like that. It's that thing. And when after trading on the black market, don't let your money be in the wallet. Just transfer it to your safe wallet, the wallet that you trust. Just transfer your money in it. Then the money that you use. So this is how I do it. So after every trade, I send the $200 to my OKX, then or my Bybit or Binance. Then I will transfer the 25 or $26 back to my save wallet, and I'll be building it up. That's how I do it. Yeah. And you can see that it's still going up. So that's what I told you. Don't be quick to sell your coin after buying it. So you can buy a coin on OKX right now, and you sell it. You send it to black app or any exchange that you are using. Yeah. Then you wait more. The market will appreciate or depreciate. It depends. You see that about the black market, it always appreciates than the regulated platforms. You see that thing? Yeah. So you can buy it $200 from here, sell it, go and swap it over there, and make $26 profit. I hope you understand. Yeah. So you repeat these things. I hope you understand. You repeat it. Yeah. So this how you do your arbitrage. And let me also address this. Crypto arbitrage doesn't basically based on the black market app. We have a lot of strategies. We have call to exchange strategies. We have triangular arbitrage strategy. We have dollar arbitrage strategy. We have exchange to exchange strategy. We have same exchange strategy. And I've done videos with using all the strategies. I've done videos with it. So it's not only the black market that I use to trade. And people were getting it wrong. Because the black market always gets famous. It's always go viral compared to the other strategies that I teach. I don't teach only the black market. No, I don't do that. Yeah. And the black market still is the same. I still sell it for $40 because you need guidance before you use it, and I need to tell you a lot about it before you can use it. That is why we are selling it for $40. So if you're cool with it, cool. If you're not cool with it, we have a lot of strategies over there. When you contact me for mentorship, I will teach you all the strategies. When you also join my class too, I'll also teach you all the strategies. It's not basically based on the black market that we use it to trade. Yeah. But because when I use the black market, I go viral. That's why I normally use the black market to do my videos. And I've done videos with exchange to exchange, same exchange, cattle exchange, a lot. Yeah. So this how you easily swap $200 to multiple figures. You see that thing? Because like per every trade you are earning $25. So imagine if every day you're able to trade 3 times, you're making $75 every day. So imagine $75 for 31 days. $75 for 31 days. You're making $2,325,000. And who tell you that, or who told you that, like crypto arbitrage or crypto trading can't make you rich? Don't be deceived, bro. If you learn it well, it can make you rich. If you're in Ghana, this amount times 12, 27,900 per month. Per month. Per month. And I've already shown you the money in my trading volume for Bybit and Binance, and you can see that like I have not less than $30,000 each. So if not this, what else? Because my class, I charge $10 for a class. How can I like do this class to get $30,000 with like within a year for one exchange platform? Don't be deceived, bro. Me, I have a lot of ways to teach you. Yeah. And I will never tell you that crypto trading in general can't make you rich. It can make you rich. Just put your mind in it and it can make you rich. Yeah. So I'm Crypto Lord and I'm done for today. And sorry for me talking a lot because I joined someone live trading, and since what he was telling his viewers, like crypto can't make them rich. That is why he's also doing content. That is why he's also putting affiliate marketing links. That's where he gets his money. It's cool though, but don't tell people that crypto can't make people rich. Don't see that. Yeah, so I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm Crypto Lord for a reason, and I will tell you always, crypto can make you rich. Crypto can change your life. So change your mind and learn it well.